Welcome Bear Squad. We're here at 25 Hours Bikini Berlin Hotel. We're pretty much in a hotel in a zoo. So we've been invited to stay here. We're working for this hotel. We're doing a few videos. It's absolutely amazing here. We're pretty much overlooking a zoo here in Berlin. It's just a very unique place. We'll start off in the first room, which is the toilet. Very boring, I know, but we're gonna do a very extensive tour of this room. So here we go. Here we got the toilet, which is the first one. And now we're gonna head on into the bathroom. So it's very open plan, this place. So if we go in here, pretty massive. Look at that. That's gonna be a very good shower.
Hello Bear Squad. So in this area, I can wash my hands, I can do my makeup. The best thing about this place is that there are lots of mirrors, and that's really handy for me. So these three plugs are really important for me, because I know myself, every time I'm onto the bed, I know I'm gonna sleep in about 3 hours and I'm gonna do Instagram or YouTube, and at the same time I'm a greedy person, so I want to charge my phone as well. So they are really important.
Now for my favorite part of this apartment is this, which is the hammock and the view. Look at this. How good is this? Oh. And then you've got the view here outside, and the view is actually of the enclosures. And there's like a bird sanctuary down there. It's just beautiful. Relax on this hammock and easily just fall asleep listening to the sounds of the birds and the monkeys outside, which you can hear as well. So it's such a unique place here. It's just really cool, guys. So if you're ever in Berlin, I definitely recommend you guys stay here. It's really cool. This is my first round, so there's so much food. I think I'll need about 10 plates just to complete this breakfast. There's a lot going on even on here. There's salmon, croissant, you got different types of ham, some cheese with bread and butter, and it's just, I'm just so excited to eat here. The spread is incredible. There's endless amount. There's a whole hot section with baked beans too, which we'll get to, but got to get through this first. This is an amazing buffet breakfast, guys.
It's so hard not to overfill up the first round because I want everything. I got my first round. I've got salmon, liver pate, some little bread. There's a fish in there, some cheese. I really like the buffet options because they seem very healthy and fresh. Okay, let me taste this fish one. Very refreshing, tasting sour flavor. So it's really good. I love it. I love that kind of freshness in the morning.
So what's that one? Currywurst. Now we've got the hot round, we've got baked beans, currywurst here, we've got a pastry, some ham, a bun, scrambled eggs, streaky bacon. I absolutely love the hot round, it's my favourite. So here we go, we're in the middle of this buffet breakfast. It's just so exciting eating this much food, especially when it's so yummy. Look at this here. It's amazing. It's like random things that just pop up. You just never know what's going to come up on the screen.
Amazing thing is it's here too.
It's here too, look at this. It's so random. This hotel has so many great areas. Down here on the 3rd floor, you've got this kind of rest, chill area where you've got so much different things going on. So they've also got some really cool workstations here. So there's just chill out zones, you can print from there too. You've got places to lounge around, it's really, really cool.
We ended our stay with a few drinks at Monkey Bar. It's located on the rooftop of Bikini Berlin Hotel and it's the perfect place to enjoy a few beers. Thanks heaps for watching guys and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!